Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming environment and dependencies so you can move immediately to loading models. Install Pytorch with appropriate CUDA support, then pick a pre-trained model from a hub. Once done, set up your device variable and basic dataset/data loader with transforms. Make sure to seed for reproducibility and test a tiny batch to verify data pipeline. This gets you from 0 to a runnable loop, where the model and data both exist on the same device. You will now load the pre-trained weights and adapt the architecture for your task. Load the base model, then replace or append the classifier head to match your label count. Alternatively, freeze backbone layers to train only the head. Once adapted, move the model to device and wrap it in Torch. NN. Data parallel if using multiple GPUs. Then set up optimizer and learning rate scheduler, choose a loss function, and validate shapes with a forward pass to prevent runtime errors. You finish by running a controlled training loop. Forward pass, compute loss, backward, clip gradients if needed, step the optimizer and update the scheduler. After each epoch, run validation and save checkpoints containing model state, optimizer state, and epoch. Make sure to test inference on a few samples and export via Torch script or ONCs if needed. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: verify device and D-type alignment first, because mismatched tensors cause the most silent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.